Hey, gorgeous brides-to-be and lovely wedding guests. Today we're diving into a makeup look that never goes out of style, the timeless bridal look. This is all about enhancing your natural beauty for a radiant, confident you. We're talking elegance, long-lasting wear, and a look that will be just as stunning in photos years from now. Whether you're a seasoned makeup pro or a beginner, this step-by-step tutorial will have you looking and feeling your absolute best on that special day. Get ready to glow, darling, because this is going to be fun. Let's get started on creating a makeup look you'll cherish forever. Are you ready? Let's go! Before we even think about foundation, we need to prep that beautiful skin. This step ensures your makeup glides on smoothly and lasts all day and night. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities. Follow with a hydrating serum. I love anything with hyaluronic acid for that extra boost of moisture. Don't forget your eye cream. The skin around our eyes is delicate and needs some extra TLC. Finally, lock everything in with a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Now your skin is prepped and ready for makeup. Now for the foundation of our look. For a bridal makeup look, full coverage is key. It creates a flawless canvas that lasts. Choose a foundation known for its long wear and photo-friendly finish. Using a damp beauty blender, apply the foundation evenly, starting from the center of your face and blending outwards. Once your foundation is set, it's time for concealer. Pick a concealer that's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Apply it under your eyes in an upside-down triangle shape to brighten the area and create a lifting effect. Also, dab a bit on any blemishes or areas you want to conceal. Blend, blend, blend. A flawless base will make you look and feel like $1 million. With our base in place, let's add some dimension and definition. Setting your makeup is crucial, especially for a long day. Use a loose setting powder and a fluffy brush to lightly dust it all over your face, focusing on the T-zone. Brows frame the face, so don't underestimate their power. Define your brows using a brow pencil or powder that matches your hair color. Use short, feathery strokes for a natural look. If you prefer bolder brows, a brow pomade will give you that extra definition. Remember, your brows are sisters, not twins, so embrace any slight imperfections. Now your features are defined and ready for the finishing touches.